This AI replaced 5 employees in my business, and it's just getting started. What if I told you your entire business could run while you sleep? Emails, marketing, thumbnails, customer support, handled. Not by a team of freelancers, but by one invisible force, AI. Sounds like science fiction, right? Or maybe your ex who ghosted you is finally doing something useful. Today I'll show you how I replaced 5 freelancers with one AI stack, saving $3,000 a month and working half the time. But don't blink, because the last tool on this list might freak you out. Part 1. The problem. Let's be honest, running a side hustle or small business today is overwhelming. You've got 20 tabs open, your calendar's crying for help, and don't even get me started on editing YouTube videos. This chaos, it's what burns out 89% of solopreneurs before they even hit their first 1K. You don't need hustle, you need a system. Part 2. The solution. Enter the AI Dream Team. Let's break it down. 1. Futurepedia. Think of it like the Google of AI tools. Type your problem, get instant solutions. You need a logo? There's 50 tools for that. Need legal copy? It's there too. 2. Opus Clip. Let's say you're recording long videos. This tool will chop them up, add captions, and give you TikTok-ready content, like magic. Pattern interrupt, relatable joke. Basically, it's your intern. If your intern didn't scroll TikTok for 3 hours straight. 3. ChatGPT Plus Zapier. This combo is your virtual assistant on steroids. You can set it up to respond to emails, sort leads, even post tweets, automatically. 4. Motion app. Time blocking is cool until you forget to check your calendar. This app runs your day using AI. No more decision fatigue, no more burnout. 5. Scribble Diffusion plus ChatGPT. You say a rough idea, it turns it into blog posts, YouTube scripts, or even ad copy. Fast, structured, and eerily accurate. Part 3. Personal transformation. Since integrating this AI stack, I don't work more. I create more. My audience has doubled. I went from burnout to breakfast at 10 a.m. And here's the truth. The people who don't adopt AI now, they're about to get left behind, fast. But wait, what if AI could actually run your entire business while you're in the gym? Part 4. Tease the next video. In the next episode, I'll walk you through the exact system that automates my side hustle end-to-end with zero code. Still think AI's just a cool tool? Then you're watching the wrong channel, because what's coming next changes the rules of entrepreneurship. If you got value from this, don't just hit upgrade. Tap the next video. This AI runs my side hustle while I work out. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Watch next. This AI runs my side hustle while I work out. Subscribe for more AI power moves from AI Edge.